To send a photo you already have on your phone via Messenger, tap on this little photo with the mountains. It may ask you to grant permission to access your photos. If it asks, give it access. If you need to look through albums to find the right photo, tap up top. Once you find one or more photos you want to send, tap to add them. And you can tap send or edit the photos. I'll tap edit to show you your editing options. If you tap the three dots, it gives the option to crop the photo's edges or adjust the brightness, contrast, and tint. You can add stickers, and you can add text. You can draw on the photo, or tap the pencil icon to edit it with AI. Press X if you want to cancel. When you tap send, it's sent out. And if you hold down your finger on it, you can add it to your story or delete it. If I want to delete, I'll tap delete. Then I'll tap delete at the bottom. And tap delete for everyone. Nice work.